everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I've got 2 more days worth of Poshmark sales. I sold a couple of really big bundles, so let's see how much I made. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the number that I earned, not the number that the item sold for. For example, my first item that I have is a Merona over-the-knee suede cognac pair of boots. They look like this. These are perfect for the upcoming fall weather. I've got a bunch of these available, so check out my Poshmark store in the link in the description below. But for instance, to give you an example, these sold for $19. My earnings were $13.40. Then I'll tell you how much I paid for them. I paid $7 for them, and so my $13.40 minus the $7 is $6.40, and that's what I'm going to put on the board. So that's actual total in-pocket profit after all of my expenses. So we'll find out what is my total in-pocket profit for all of these items at the end and how many orders does it equal out to. My next item that I've got for sale is a really cute mini dress by Wild Fable. I paid $1 out of a liquidation box. My earnings were $3.25, so $2.25 is my profit there. Then I have a bundle, as you can see in this large basket. It contains, let me tell you, it contains some really cute unicorn slippers for children, and then it has some of my intimates that I got out of that 500 liquidation pallet box that I had gotten earlier. And so let me read these off to you. It took me a minute to get to the page. So it's got a women's banded lace bralette, pink. Then it's got a macrame acid wash bralette. Then it's got another bralette, some unicorn slippers, another bra, a swimsuit, perfect time of the year to sell swimsuits, and a body shaper. And so with items, I have, let me look, $9 fully invested. All of those were $1 investment, except for the slippers were $2. And so $9 of a full investment, $27.20 is my profit on that. And so I made $18.20 when I take off my $9. I love bundles. Then the next thing I have for sale is a JoyLab XL double layer gray cozy tech shirt. I paid $2 out of a liquidation box. Pretty much just made up my money. Ended up earning $2.25, so I'm at 25 cents of profit on that particular item. Then I've got a women's black cardigan right here, size extra large, $5.25, $2 out of liquidation, so $3.25 for total profit after expenses. Then I have a really cute pink soft sweater, $2.25, $1 out of a liquidation box is what I paid for that, so $1.25 for profit on that item. I'm kind of breezing through these just because I've got so many today, and so I wanted to give you guys kind of an update. All right, so women's Megan micro suede quarter strap heeled pump. I've got some more of these, so check those out in various sizes. My earnings were $7.25. I paid $4 out of a liquidation box for those, so I'm at $3.25 of profit expenses expenses. Then I have a bundle of 4, which ended up being a pair of really cute glittery, sorry, my phone is being slow today. It must be sleepy. That's nice. It's that nice fall weather. They want to, my phone just wants to go to sleep today. All right, so I have a bundle of 4 items, all kids items. And so I've got a really cute pair of glittery sandals here, as well as another pair of black ballet flats. Then I've got a Jojobo purple, and then a little tiny sports bra that is a kid's size. So all 4 of those, I've got, let me see, I've got 2, then these were 4, so that's $6 invested and $1 and $1. So I'm at $8 of total investment. That bundle was $13.40. minus the 8, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, $5.40. My brain shuts down sometimes, so I have to count on my fingers. Hey, whatever works, right? I don't have a calculator in front of me. I get out of the habit because I don't have a calculator. All right, then I've got a pair of really cute Merona sandals. These here. There goes the lid. These really cute black Merona sandals. They're called Elky Slide Sandals. I paid $4 out of a liquidation box for those. And then my total, those are really cute. I've got more of those for sale if you're interested in those. Trying to get the price here. All right. So I have those. They actually sold for $7. I earned $2.25. $4 is what I paid. Negative $175. I must not have been paying attention when I discounted that one. But I do have quite a few, so I wanted to get them moving so I'm not sharing them all the time. Then these Merona Eve quarter strap sandals, they only earned me $1.25, so I'm actually negative $2.25 on those. So these were some heeled ones. Let me show you what they look like. They're a little different than the other ones, kind of like cork heeled ones. See? That's what those look like, size 5.5. Alrighty, those odd sizes sometimes sell decent, but obviously not this time. Then I have New Tag Cat and Jack faux fur lined lace up boots, size 5 in little girls. And they sold for, drum roll please. They sold for $11. My earnings were $6.25. I paid $2 out of a liquidation box because that was a different box. $6.25 minus the $2 is $4.25 on those boots. So it pretty much paid for this terrible sale. All right, then I've got a really cute Apartment 9 zipper front roomy pink and black top. My earnings for $4.25 came right out of my closet, so $4.25 is what I get to keep for my earnings since it didn't really cost me anything, came out of my closet. Yes, initially it cost me something when I bought it, but I wore it, so, you know, don't freak out, everybody. All right, then the next thing that I sold is a really nice black blazer, women's blazer, that sold for... it's a Calvin Klein blazer. It sold for $24 of earnings. Sold for $30. I earned $24. Came out of liquidation for $3. And so I'm at $21 of profits. All right, then I have a really cute women's dress. $2.25. Cost me $1 out of liquidation. $1.25 in profits. Then I have a everyday racerback bra, Gilligan and O'Malley, size 40C. Paid $1. I earned $1.25, so I'm at a whopping 25 cents. Got me a quarter. I can get a gumball out of a gumball machine. So then I've got some women's Chelsea waterproof rain boots. Yes, I'm still selling these because I still have them. They're right here, and I've got... That's the only time I sold them this 2 days. So awesome. So through $6.25. I made a terrible buy when I bought those. Paid $7. So I am at negative 75 cents. Can't even draw a zero. Alrighty. Then I have some high-rise kick boot crop jeans right here. I earned $9.05. I paid $2. So I'm at $7.05 of profits there. I don't like all these negative numbers I've got on my profit margin, but at least I made some money back. Then I've got a pair of, just like I showed you at the front, these Merona over the knee, exact same size 7.5. I sold those again, and I paid $7 for those ones. $11.80 is what I earned on this particular sale, so I earned $4.80 after my expenses. Okay, so the next thing that I sold is a new without tags Worthington V-neck blouse with front pleats. Came right out of my closet, so my earnings were $3.05, and I get to keep the whole $3.05. Then next, I had a bundle of 3 intimates, all underwear, smoothing seamless panties, a high-waisted tummy control shapewear, and a seamless microfiber high-cut pair of panties. $3 is what I have invested in all of those, $15.80, so we're at $12.80 of profit. Then next I have a really perfect fall time sweat 3/4 sleeve shirt, extra large. It's got gold stripes on it. Very, very cute. I paid $1 out of a liquidation box. $3.25 was my earnings. So I'm at $2.25 of profit on that. Then I have a pair of shoes that are similar to these, only they're size 11. And I do have some more of these for sale. Another pair of 11, I think some size 10s. So check those out on my Poshmark store. I paid $4 for them. My earnings were $5.05, so I'm at $1.05 for my profits there. And then I have, last but not least, is a really beautiful women's sweater chenille cocoon style cardigan. Those cost me $2. $15.20 is what I earned, so I'm at $13.20 of profits. And so just be aware that some of these lower dollar things you can kind of it's bad that they sell for some of those negative numbers, but they may draw someone to your store to find those higher dollar boots for $18, $20, and $21 and things like that. So just be aware that some of the lower dollar items may still be worth it to sell, simply because it'll bring more people into your store and interest them in some of the things that you have for sale higher. A lot of times on every weekend, I lower my prices, and so sometimes I hit this because I get a little bit carried away with my discounts, but it brings more people in. And anytime you lower or offer deals on any of your prices, it goes to anybody who has hearted or liked your item, and so be aware of that. So I usually go through my entire closet and lower prices and offer sales and deals to anybody who's liked my items every single weekend. So it keeps the product moving, and it keeps your store from getting way too full when you're super ambitious and putting a lot of stuff on there. So I'm going to add all of this up and see how many orders it comes to for my 2 days of sales on Poshmark. All right, so this was a great deal for the last 2 days. $110.70 is my total profit after all my fees and expenses, for a total of 23 separate orders on Poshmark. So hopefully it's been helpful, and hopefully I've given you some Poshmark tips on how exactly to keep your items selling every day, and offering those discounts and things like that to your customers are always a great thing to do to keep your closet all cleaned up. So hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.